Hey guys, and welcome back to Dardasha. And today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be a bench, how do you say it?
Pressing.
Bench pressing a child.
Today we are going to exercise the muscles, specifically the triceps and the pectorals, I think is the chest muscles. We're going to be doing some bench press, and we can't get into the gym. The gym is closed. We're having to use our imagination. Today I will be bench pressing a child who is 9 years old, almost 10. It's the bench press a child challenge. I'm going to count how many reps I manage. We're aiming for 50, I think. And in the comments, give it a try yourself and tell me how many reps can you do. How many times can you bench press a child? And remember, safety first. I don't know if this is safe. Okay, that's one. Stay straight. Stay straight.
Right, hold my back properly.
Straight.
Okay, sorry guys. 2, 3,
4. Straight.
5. Oh, my leg, wow. 6. Oh my
Stay
goodness.
straight.
Oh, you properly. 7. 9.
9.
Try to do 50. Do you want to aim for 20?
Alright, we'll go again. Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7,
Straighten up.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We can do this. 13,
Keep going.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21.
Straight.
We've done 23.
Straight.
We can still do
Come on. Yeah.
25. 26.
Oh. I quit. I'm out. Let me know how many you got. I got
26 was it?
20 something. This has been Lessons for Life. And
And Dardasha. Oh my god. Please subscribe and then
Yeah.
give the video a big fat like.